Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows involuntarily restarts without any warning, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's what happens. Basically, a lot of third-party apps can trigger the system to restart, and I'll show you how to fix this. So right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select About. Now, select Advanced System Settings, go to the Advanced tab, click on Settings associated with Startup and Recovery and uncheck the box for Automatically Restart and then click on OK. Even in the event of system failure, it will not automatically restart even though that is a default setting on the system. And this solution has helped a lot of users. But here's one more thing that you can do, which is a clean boot. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services, click on Disable All, apply, and then on OK, and then finally restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.